Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix games not showing library in Epic Games Launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first thing is to check the server status of Epic Games Launcher. You can see this launch button, but the game is not showing over here. And when you go to library, it is showing shop games and modes. So if you're getting this error in your Epic Games Launcher, then you do not have to worry, because currently the Epic Games Store is having the server issues. So the problem is not from your side, the problem is from the Epic Games Store sides and not from your side. So the only thing you can do is to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check later. But in case if the Epic Games Store server is online and if still you are getting the same error, then here follow the fixes to solve this error. First of all, close the Epic Games. Also make sure to close the Epic Games from here. Right click on it and then click on exit. Now press Windows plus R to open run box, and in the run box type %local app data % and then click on OK. Now look for the Epic Games Launcher folder. Here it is. Open it. Open the saved folder and then delete the webcache _4430. If there are other folder like webcache _4147 or webcache _4430, then also delete all this webcache folder from the Epic Games Launcher saved folder. So right click on it and then delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the Epic Games Launcher and then go to library, and then here you can see the game is showing in the library. And here you can see the game is showing in the library in Epic Games Launcher. So by this way you can easily fix game not showing in library in Epic Games Launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.